Imagine leaving behind the only home you've ever known, crossing vast oceans, unsure of what lies ahead. For the first Malagasy who set foot in what would become the United States, this journey was not by choice but by force. The story of Malagasy immigration to the United States dates back to the 17th century. One of the earliest recorded instances was in 1679, when a ship carrying enslaved Malagasy people arrived in Virginia. Madagascar was a key stop in the transatlantic slave trade, and many Malagasy individuals were taken to the Americas through ports in the Caribbean. The largest concentration of Malagasy immigrants in early America was in South Carolina, where they were forced to work on rice plantations. But here is an interesting fact: their expertise in rice cultivation transformed the economy of the region. The techniques they had used for generations in Madagascar were adapted to the fields of South Carolina, shaping the industry in ways that still echo today. But who was the first Malagasy to set foot on American soil? We may never know their name, but we do know their resilience. Despite unimaginable hardships, these early Malagasy left a mark on history. Some eventually gained their freedom and helped form communities of free Africans and their descendants. Fast forward to today, and the story has changed. Malagasy immigrants now come to the United States by choice, pursuing education, careers, and opportunities their ancestors could never have imagined. They are students, professionals, entrepreneurs, and dreamers, carrying forward the same spirit of resilience and adaptation. As a Malagasy immigrant myself, I feel deeply connected to this history. It's a reminder that while the past was shaped by struggle, the future is ours to create. We honor those who came before us by building new legacies, ones of choice, ambition, and success. From the fields of South Carolina to the universities and businesses of today, the Malagasy story in America is still being written, and we are the authors of the next chapter. Want to know more? Comment below or follow the page.